Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday! Yes, I have my spring witch hat on. I call it my spring witch hat because it's got the green bow. Oh my gosh, you guys. So many people have asked me to do this Halloween video tonight. And of course, I gotta talk about this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Bath and Body Works Halloween 2024. Thank you so much to Tess, Life Inside the Page, for always updating us with the scoop. A lot of this is starting to float around the internet as leaks. Vampire blood coming back as a laundry detergent. Oh my gosh. See, I predicted this last year. I thought before we got like the Christmas laundry detergent that we would get the Christmas laundry detergent because I'm like, you know what, they're gonna do it. I predicted Halloween for this year. I knew they were gonna do it. They are really going full on holidays. I have a feeling we're gonna see Halloween and Christmas in the soap refills too. I just can see them doing it, which is good. I'm totally excited for all this. So why are we talking about Halloween in May? So if you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, Halloween tends to show up in June at Bath & Body Works. They'll do a preview. A lot of the leaks start July. You're going to get full-on Halloween collections. A lot of people are collecting the Halloween stuff, so that's why it starts early. So what'll happen is a lot of stuff starts to show up. If, you know, Bath & Body Works is getting naming rights or something, it's going to be on the internet. People are going to find it. They're going to dig, and it's going to show up on list places. And it's not unusual for people to start finding stuff this early. So I kind of figured vampire blood would come back. I feel like this is going to be a staple now in the Halloween collection. It makes sense. It's a wonderful scent. People love it. The packaging last year was gorgeous. It's red berries, night blooming jasmine, and petrifying plum. Honestly, you could wear this scent now. It smells amazing. I mean, vampire blood, it's funny. Vampire blood is one of the scents from Bath & Body Works that you smell and you know it's vampire blood without even like looking at the scent notes. You're like, yep, it's vampire blood. But you know what? It's a wonderful fruity floral for summer. Like if you don't want something like really light and buoyant, you want something a little deeper, throw in your vampire blood. This is a great summer scent. So I'm seeing on the list vampire blood and another possible body care called Moonlit Goddess. That would be really cool. I have a lot of like, is it a fruity floral? Is it, you know, I wanted Ghoul Friend in the full size. We've got it in the mini. But Moonlit Goddess actually sounds like it could be like interesting. I'm still waiting for Bath & Body Works to do a chocolate scent for Halloween. We haven't heard anything about that yet. But vampire blood seems to be like the number one fragrance that's showing up on list right now. And laundry, scent beads, and detergent, we're supposed to have the vampire blood and the Moonlit Goddess. I feel like this is really interesting too. Even though I'm not like super on board with the laundry detergent, I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind because you know what? I changed my mind about these. I wasn't super crazy about them. Then I started using them all the time. I got the Twisted Peppermint last year. Ugh, right on my lip. Let's eat the laundry detergent. I did not like it, but it wasn't like super like game changing for me. However, I don't know. I don't know what I would think of like the Halloween. I'm like vampire blood. I'm like, I think I want my clothes to smell like vampire blood. So I'm gonna get it. Obviously, there's like no doubt that I would not get it. So I'm getting it. Halloween. Halloween accessories. I'm like, laundry detergent for Halloween. Also Halloween accessories. Tessa's got a wristlet, green eye, a cosmetic bag skeleton, and, you know, a tote bag. So we have very little information yet for Halloween, but so many people are like, Bonnie, you gotta talk about this tonight. I'm like, yes. If you're just joining me, I tend to be the queen of Halloween. I love Halloween. I go all out. That's like the one area for Bath and Body Works that I get one of everything. I don't get one of everything for Christmas, spring, summer. Like I'll pick like a couple of pieces to get for each season. But Halloween is the one season where I literally buy one of everything, and I'm excited. You know, it's fun. I mean, people ask me why I do like Halloween like so over the top. A lot of us do. It's just a fun, whimsical, um I don't know. I just like the decor for Halloween. It's exciting. And I know it's only May, and a lot of people are going to go, Buddy, why are you talking about Halloween in May? But it's fun. Seriously, bring out your vampire blood, give it a sniff, and close your eyes. Go like this. It's a nice spring, summer scent. Trust me on this. Oh my gosh. And then sooner than later, we're all going to be washing our clothes in vampire blood. Is it going to be red? That would be cool. If it's like a red shade. I don't know. I think I might dig that. Would it stain? I don't know. Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to keep doing these Halloween updates. You know I am. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.